Okay, so here we are in May 2022, and once again, just like 2011, a mere few months after the main floods, College's Crossing, which I'm just crossing now, sorry about my thumb, is and will be closed later today because they've released the floodwaters. Sorry, they've opened the dam rather at Warrill, just like they always do. So it'll take a couple of hours to reach this point. I'm just heading up to Ipswich for something, and I'm hoping after I'm finished I'll be able to come back this way. So this will be what I just passed over will be closed. You see, everything's still a mess from the floods in January. We'll see if we'll be able to come back this way in less than an hour, hopefully, but that definitely will be closed by later on this afternoon or early evening. Okay, on the way back, and looks like it's still open at College's Crossing. Won't be for long. Moggle Ferry's already closed this morning, and they said it'll be for a couple of days, but most likely, I hope we can get through here. Looks like they're looking at closing it very soon. Most likely the Moggle Ferry will be closed for a week or two, so they're getting set up now to close off the road. Right, anyway.
700 metres, turn right onto College Road.
So there we go. In a couple of hours this will be underwater again. Anyway, made it through, so with some extra milk, etc., we should be able to get through okay. Hopefully we won't see another flood at all. Isolate us as usual for several days. Anyway, we'll see how this one goes. But hopefully it won't be as bad as in this flashback, due to better flood mitigation from Warrill Dam. I guess we're just going to have to wait a day or so and see.